everybody, welcome back, and we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change font size in Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that purpose, let's go ahead and open our Facebook first. So right now, if you open our Facebook, we will see the current font size, right? So if you want this font size to change or get bigger or get smaller, for that purpose, let's go ahead, open our settings. Apparently it does depends on the font size of your mobile phone as well. So, and then what you will do is, once you're in settings, scroll down till you find this option called display, where you will be able to find this option called display size and text option. Go ahead, tap on that option. Now you can see the font size is given, or max text bigger or smaller. So if I drag it to over here, you can see the text gets bigger. If I drag it over, it gets small. Let's do it for the biggers. And the display size as well, you can make it smaller or bigger. This applies to your apps as well. And then you can go ahead, you can do other settings as well. So for that example, we have made our text bigger, so we're going to go back and open our Facebook. And if I refresh, you can see the text are bigger than before. So let's go ahead, make it smaller, and open our Facebook. You can see the text are smaller. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.